Okay, this shot here, if you notice, I'm almost straight in on the one. I got a little bit of angle, so if I do a normal draw shot here, I'm going to go right directly into the 4 ball. So what I'm going to do is elevate. If you notice, I'm elevating about 30 degrees or so here, and I'm going to shoot lots of draw, and I'm going to jump into the 1 ball. And what this does, it makes the cue ball hit a little bit above center on the 1 ball, and so there's less weight of the 1 ball into the cue ball. So now the cue ball is going to come forward. It'll go back around the object ball to go up and play position for the 2 ball. So I'm going to elevate the cue, do a draw shot. It's going to jump forward and then come back and go up for position for the 2 ball. And I'm going to show you a lot of different versions of this, because this is a really, really neat shot that you need to learn, because this comes up a lot of different ways. Okay, here's another one. If I play the 1 and do a normal draw, I'm going to go into a 7 ball. So if you notice, there's not much angle at all here. So same thing, I'm going to shoot, elevate the cue, shoot into the ball. Cue ball's going to come forward and then draw back, right back across the table for position for the 3 ball. Okay, here's another situation where you want to do a jump forward and have the cue ball to come back. If I do a normal draw shot here, I'm going to go into the 6 ball. So what I'm going to do is elevate the cue, lots of draw, cue ball jump into the 2 ball. It's going to go up and then come back around the 6 ball to get position for the 3 ball. Okay, here we're straight in, almost straight into the